Welcome to a vocabulary parade. I'm going to tell you something special about your scissors. A bar that turns on a pilot or fulcrum. Some examples are a scissor, and a seesaw. Now you know that your scissor is more special than just for cutting.
Have you ever went on a seesaw or any kind of leather? Well, the middle part is called a fulcrum. A fulcrum is a point or support on which a lever pivots. The next time you go to the park, look for a seesaw and try to find the fulcrum.
Oh, I just hurt myself because of a slide. A slide is an inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface which allows an object to be moved from an element to another with effort that is lifted. A ramp is an inclined plane. Oh, now I know why I got a splinter sliding down.
Simple machines. I like to use simple machines every day. First simple machine. A wheel and axle help us move heavy things. Do you know a car has a wheel and axle? Second simple machine. A pulley helps us pick load up and down. We use pulley to build tall towers. Third simple machine. An inclined plane helps us move load. A truck has an inclined plane. Fourth simple machine. A wedge can cut things into pieces. We use wedge to cut cheese. Fifth simple machine. A lever lifts things up and down. A seesaw has a lever.
Did you ever think why you struggle when you and a friend push a chair? When two people push one thing from opposite sides, there is a force, but it's balanced. Now you know why you're having a tough time pushing a chair.
You're not going to move that bike without wheels. A wheel is a circle that helps you move faster or better. Now go to the wheel store and get yourself some wheels.
Hi guys, have you ever wondered about the space between two things? Among the space between two things, like the sun from Uranus or from me and you. Now you know the word distance.
Today I'm going to accomplish something. Exertion or effort directed to produce or accomplish something is work. In science, when you are doing something, using force, you are working. Now you know what work is. You look like you need some help. Use some more force. A force is something that causes a change in the motion of an object with force. You might use force when you push or pull. Then force be moved.
Have you ever wondered what that force that pulls you down on a seesaw along that's not gravity? When a person pushes an object with another person on opposite sides and pushes harder and finally moves the object to the other side, that is unbalanced force. Now you know what that force is.
Do you ever think about how cranes works? Cranes have a pulley. Definition of pulley is a form of lever to lift an object. You need to pull down on a wood. Now you know about pulleys.
Hi, have you ever thought of a different pulley? A fixed pulley is a form of lever. To lift an object, you need only to pull down a rope. The special thing about the fixed pulley is that the pulley doesn't move. Now you know two different kinds of pulleys.
Excuse the interruption. Marie Petratus, please call the office.
Today I will present the axle. An axle needs a wheel to become a wheel and axle. The axle is a rod that the wheel rotates around. I think the axle is a great part of a simple machine.
Pulley, wheel and axle, lever, incline plane, screw are simple machines. Pulley makes work easy and moves things up and down. A wheel and axle, incline plane help us move heavy things. A wedge can cut things into pieces. A lever lift things up. Screw holds things together. Simple machines are in everything.
My word is trade-off. Trade-off. I'm going to tell you something about screws when you put them in a hole. A situation in which you must choose between or balance two things that are opposite or cannot be had at the same time. That's the trade-off of a screw.
All right, let's get started. This is friction. Friction is the rubbing of a surface of a body against another. For example, a car can't move with too much friction. A synonym, not cinnamon, for friction is rubbing. Now you know what happens when you rub your hands together.
Hi, my word is effort. And you might use this word when you use force. The word effort means the force applied to a simple machine as a lever, in contrast to the force applied by it against a load. Now you know what effort means, but there are other meanings too. And I also wanted to tell you that I am rowing a boat, and it takes effort to push the water out of the boat.
I just love complex stuff in machines. A complex machine is two or more simple machines together.
A car, robot, computer, and iPad are all examples of complex machines. Complex machines are awesome.
You know something about your clock up there? It's made of gears. A gear is a wheel with teeth. One set of gears equals a clock or a bike. Did you learn anything about your clock?
Are you ready to learn about the rule of science? A push-pull meter is a device that allows you to measure the push, pull, and force of an object. Hope you enjoyed learning about the rule of science.